What if I told you the people who will decide Kenya's biggest legal battles for the next decade are being chosen right now? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover the 15 names just nominated to the Court of Appeal, including President Ruto's own lawyer, and what this seismic shift means for justice in Kenya. But here's the twist. This wasn't done in secret. The Judicial Service Commission says this was the most transparent process ever. Meet Katwa Kijen. He's not just any lawyer. For years, he's been the legal voice of President William Ruto. Now, he's on a list of 15 nominees for a powerful Court of Appeal judgeship. The list also includes Isak Hassan, the boss of the police watchdog IPOA, and Justice Chacha Mwita. This is the team that could shape Kenyan law for a generation. And then something shocking happened. The JSC didn't hide. They went live. Chief Justice Martako Ome stated the process was rigorous, transparent, and competitive, and was conducted in full public view with interviews transmitted live. It involved public advertisement of vacancies, public participation before shortlisting, open interviews, and thorough vetting. But here's what nobody's talking about. The sheer scale of this judicial reset. 15 positions, 15 lives changed, and the power to influence thousands of court decisions. The other nominees are a who's who of legal minds. Lady Justice Hidiwig Imbo Sangudi, Justice Matthews Nduma Nderi, Lady Justice Lynette Mumo Lady Justice Lucy Emwe Hakienjuguna, and Justice Samson Odihi Ambo Okongo, followed by Lady Justice Rachel Chep Koechengech and Justice Stephen Andersen Radido Oki. This isn't just a promotion. It's a complete overhaul of the appellate bench. Here's the part that will blow your mind. These 15 names are now headed to one desk, State House. President William Ruto holds the final pen for formal appointment. In one signature, he can appoint his own longtime legal defender to a bench that might one day rule on cases involving his own administration. The tension is real. Some say this is meritocracy in action, rewarding the best legal brains through a transparent process. Others whisper about conflicts of interest and the shadow of executive influence over the judiciary. But if the process was so open, why does it feel so politically charged? The implications are massive. Every major constitutional challenge, every landmark appeal on elections or corruption, could land before these new judges. The Court of Appeal is the last stop before the Supreme Court. This reshuffle will define Kenya's legal landscape for the 2030s. The controversy is baked in. One side sees a reformed, accountable judiciary. The other sees a bench being stacked. The unanswered question hangs in the air. Will these judges rule without fear or favor, or will old loyalties cast long shadows? Do you think a president's lawyer should sit on the Court of Appeal? Drop your take in the comments. Was this transparent justice or political chess? Let us know. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking news that shapes our nation.